Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be learning about how you can add headings in the Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So the first thing you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in docs.google.com. Once you type it in, you will be redirected to this page where you need to click on the blank page option. So now you can type whatever you want to type on your Google Docs. So after you are done typing, all you need to do is click on the normal text option. There you can find heading 1, which is the main heading of your paragraph or writing. So after that, you need to click on normal text again and select the heading 2, which is like a subheading for the main heading. So after you are done and typed both the necessary information, the third and fourth headings are the subheadings of the subheadings. These headings are added under the main heading and the subheading for adding much more information in your paragraph. So to check which heading is used in which word, you can simply press on the words and you can know that what number of heading is used. For example, if you press on one of the heading, it will show heading 4, and for other it will show heading 1. Likewise, this is how you add heading in Google Doc. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.